May 2024 CA Intermediate students, I'm really happy to share with all of you that we are starting with the cost accounting regular batch for May 24 from 25th of August 2023. It is going to be a complete comprehensive batch covering all the concepts, all the questions, practical questions, MCQs, and you will get the hard copy of the concept book with this batch. Very affordable prices. The prices are currently at discount, so quickly you can register for the same from our website www.ksjteaching.org. The batch will be available in two languages. One is Hindi English mix. The second language will be complete English, right? So choose as per your preference, because there are many students from the southern part of India who are comfortable with the complete English language. So we have decided to come up with both the languages, and this is going to be a rocking batch. We will learn each and every concept with the real life examples as we have been doing in the past. So let's get ready for May 2024. Sir, what about the FMSM batch? The update will be provided on that very soon. But initially, we are starting with the cost accounting paper number 4, group 2 for May 2024. So let's get ready and join the batch at the earliest at the hugely discounted prices. Very, very, very affordable, sir. Just visit our website www.ksjteaching.org, and for all the latest updates, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on anything that is really important coming your way. Thank you guys. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.